Mr. J, hello. We're talking about fires. This is our basic video for Monday, 월요일, March 3월 24일, right? 24th, 2025 한국 이야기, 산불 이야기, 산불 AI 팩 보면 왔을 때 산불, it's bad news이지, bad news. 바로 다나보자. Wildfires, South Korea, casualties, evacuate, 산청, 의성. Hectares, 이거 평 같은 거, 아니 평보다 커. Winds, smoke, firefighting. Level 3 alert, firefighters, temple, hospitals, disasters. Okay. Multiple wildfires, 산불 하나만 아니고 여러 가지 multiple broke out across South Korea. 한국에 이번 주 있었지. Causing 10 casualties. 10명 죽었고 and forcing 23,000 people to evacuate their homes. 사람은 2,300명도 집 나가야 됐어. Fire starting in Sancheong and Uiseong. 산청, 의성. right? 그 통영 조금 근처이지. 거기부터 burning more than 3,280 hectares. 한 헥터는 평보다 훨씬 더 커. 그럼 많은 땅이지. Of land. Strong winds, thick smoke, and dry conditions made firefighting difficult. 힘들었다. firefighting 하는 사람은 왜 바람, 연기하고 마른 상태 때문에. A level 3 alert was issued. 그럼 alert은 경고 level 3. And over 2,300 fire 소방관. Wow. Firefighters 2,300, 2,300명 and 12 helicopters. Helicopter 12개 were sent to help 도움 주려고 보냈다고. Flames damaged homes, a temple, and forced hospitals to move patients. 그럼 건물은 병원, 절, 집도 불 맞았다고. Officials say hot weather and dry winds may cause more disasters. 더운 날씨하고 마른 바람 때문에 이런 일이 또 생길 수 있다고. And they're working with the military and local teams to stop the fires. 군인도 도움 주고 있다고. 아이고. Alright, where did the wildfire start? 산불 어디부터 시작했다? 두 번째는 서울, 인천 거기 아니지? How many people had to evacuate their homes? 몇 명 집 나가야 됐어? What made firefighting difficult? Firefighting 힘든 이유 하나는 뭐야? 이거는 B 아니지. What type of alert was issued? Alert level 뭐였나? What buildings were damaged by the wildfires? 좀 불맞는 건물 뭘 있었나? 두 번째 학교하고 쇼핑몰은 좀 힘들었지만 특히 이거는 homes, temples, and hospitals 문제 있었지. Alright, this week 이번 주 우리 business words, business 어휘한다. 그럼 오늘 deal, business 단어, right? Business, 이거 두 번째 non-business. 그럼 일단 business은 deal, an agreement especially in business between two or more parties. 거래 뭔지 모르는 애도 있었을 때 여기 설명문이지. 그리고 business meaning. 근데 non-business meaning, deal, to handle or manage a situation or person, right? 이거다. DEAL, 절자 쉽지만 발음은 좀 힘들 수 있다. 이거 MRJ글로 하자. deal, 이거는 음절 하나만, 이게 두 개 같다, 맞지? deal, 근데 하나만, deal. All. Alright, they signed the deal after weeks of negotiations, and I can't deal with the stress anymore. I can't deal with the stress anymore. Okay. Let's see, Seoul temperature 16, low of 6, it's partly cloudy. Down to Beijing, we have a high of 12, a low of 1, and it's sunny. And Tokyo, Japan, high of 21, a low of 10, and it's also sunny. We talked about the weather, deal, and we talked about the wildfires. Okay, guys, I hope you have a good Monday. I hope the wildfires get put out, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.